Have you ever felt the frustration of your body not responding the way you want it to, even though your desire is strong? Imagine being in that moment, yet nothing works the way it should. For many men, this isn't just a physical issue. It quietly chips away at confidence, masculinity, and even relationships. But here's the truth. Erectile dysfunction doesn't always mean something is broken. In many cases, it's your body's way of sending a signal, warning you about habits, lifestyle choices, or underlying health issues that can be fixed naturally. Now, here's the part most men don't know. Science has shown that up to 80% of erectile problems have nothing to do with needing a pill like Viagra, and everything to do with circulation, hormone balance, and stress. That means by making the right daily changes, your body can often restore performance on its own, without the side effects, cost, or dependency of drugs. So, if you've ever felt trapped or embarrassed by ED, stay with me, because in just a moment we're going to break down how you can fix it naturally, reclaim your confidence, and enjoy stronger, healthier intimacy without reaching for a blue pill. The first thing you need to understand is that erections are all about blood flow. When your arteries are clear, flexible, and strong, blood can easily rush where it needs to go. But if you've been eating processed foods, smoking, or staying sedentary, those same arteries start to stiffen and narrow. The result? Your body can't deliver the surge of blood needed for a firm, lasting erection. By cleaning up your diet, adding more leafy greens, healthy fats, and cutting back on sugar, you're not just fueling your body, you're literally recharging your manhood. The second key is movement. Men who exercise regularly, especially with strength training and cardio, have significantly better performance because exercise boosts testosterone, lowers stress hormones, and keeps your blood vessels elastic. Think of it like fine-tuning an engine. The more you run it, the smoother it works. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day can be the difference between frustration and control. And remember, your body doesn't need perfection. It needs consistency. Small daily efforts compound into powerful results. Lastly, stress is one of the biggest hidden killers of male performance. When your mind is filled with pressure, your body produces cortisol, which crushes testosterone and makes arousal nearly impossible. Learning to breathe deeply, slow down, and calm your nerves isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for full function. When you quiet the noise, your body naturally responds with strength, energy, and desire. The best part? These changes don't just restore performance, they rebuild confidence, making you feel like yourself again, only stronger. If there's one thing to take away, it's this. You don't need a pill to reclaim your strength. You already have the tools inside you. By fueling your body with real food, moving every day, and finding calm in the chaos, you create the exact conditions your body needs to perform at its best. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about lasting power and confidence. If this video gave you clarity, make sure to subscribe, share it with another man who needs this message, and keep watching for more life-changing strategies. Your body is capable of more than you think. Sometimes it just needs you to step up and unlock it.